So I'm outside real quick because I want to show everyone what our next small project is on our homestead that I'm really excited about. Sorry for the background noise because per usual, James is already working on it because that man can't sit still. But next to our house is a bunch of nasty trees. There's a lot of the honeysuckle bush, which is non-native and it's really invasive and it's terrible. So he's getting all that out. There's also a bunch of locust trees there with the nasty thorns and just a bunch of other horrible bushes. So he's cutting it all down with the bush hog attachment on the front of the skid steer, and then we're gonna plant a bunch of fruit trees there. Let me show you. And this is next to the house. Like I'm on the porch right now. So over here, all these trees, just nasty stuff. There's some cedars in there too. See him working? He's already clearing it out and doing a great job. Let me get down there a little bit closer, get my safety glasses on, and I'll show you what he's doing. Again, for perspective, here's the house, and he's working down here. Look at that orange kickball. So all of this nastiness in here is what he is removing. Woo! Man, you can already see how much he's taken out. Holy cow, he's only been working for like 5 minutes. Amazing. All right, I'm gonna set up a time lapse. We need to get rid of all this. Wow, look at how much he's gotten done. I gotta go stand behind this pole so I can safely record because this thing will launch stuff really far. Look at it. All right, I'm behind my wooden bodyguard. This piece of equipment has been an amazing investment for our farm. I can't remember if we posted about it yet or not, but James bought it on Facebook Marketplace. It was broken, so he got it for real cheap, and then he fixed it. And it works beautifully. Good thing I'm behind this pole. I'm back up on the porch to get a good vantage point. There's the supervisor. Okay, he's already done. Took him less than 2 hours, and he went through with some grass seed, Kentucky 31, and spread that. And so here in the next couple of weeks, when all the fruit trees are for sale, we will get some and we will get them planted. Let me go down there closer so you can get a closer look. Wow, this is going to be an awesome orchard. We're probably gonna plant, I don't know, 15-ish fruit trees here, maybe 20. This is great. Now, if you look down, you will see that there's still some rocks in here and some branches. We're gonna come through here tomorrow and get all these out, put them in a pile and burn them. But for the most part, it mulched this up pretty good. I like it. Oh, this is awesome. This is gonna be great. And that's it. This is going to be a great addition to the homestead. We do have a couple of fruit trees here. We've got 7 fruit trees in this area right in front of our honeybees, but that's just not enough trees. We do also have 2 peach trees and 2 pear trees in our backyard that we put in a few years ago, and we got peaches for the first time off those trees last year, and it was amazing. And then a deer came and rubbed on the tree and snapped one of the peach trees in half. So we're gonna have to replace that peach tree and then get a bunch of fruit trees for this area. So stay tuned, because of course I'll make a video of that. We are so excited. Adding an orchard to your homestead is a must. So anyway, have a great day, everyone. Happy homesteading.